Hey there, today I'm going to simplify the concept of standard deviation for you. A super important tool in research. Ready? Let's dive in. So what exactly is standard deviation? In simple terms, it's a measure of how spread out the numbers in a data set are. Imagine you've got test scores from your class. Standard deviation tells you if everyone scored similarly or if there's a big range of scores. Here's how it works. First, you find the mean or average of your data. Then you subtract the mean from each number to see how far each score is from the average. After that, you square these differences. Yep, just multiply them by themselves. Next, you find the average of these squared differences. Finally, you take the square root of that average and boom, there's your standard deviation. Essentially, it gives you a single number that represents the variability in your data. Now, why is this important in research? Well, standard deviation helps researchers understand the reliability of their data. A low standard deviation means the data points are close to the mean, indicating consistency. A high standard deviation means the data points are spread out, suggesting more variability. This can highlight patterns, anomalies, or areas that need closer investigation. For example, if you're conducting a survey on study habits and most responses are similar, you'll get a low standard deviation. This consistency can suggest a common trend, but if responses vary widely, a high standard deviation might indicate different study strategies or external factors affecting your sample. So whether you're working on a science project, analyzing survey results, or just curious about data, understanding standard deviation can give you a clearer picture of what's going on. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Happy studying.